I want to start things off by just talking about the power of humor. We can't say enough about, humor's needed more than ever in these times, or when tragedies happen or difficult times happen, or there's nothing like the power of humor. But as an expert in this, dial us into how you leverage it and how you utilize it in your work at events and conferences as a speaker.
Yeah. I agree with you. We've kind of beaten to death the ideas that, humor fires off endorphins and it makes your mind work better and so forth. And yes, we need it during times of tragedy and times of uncertainty. And that's a given. Nobody needs to be convinced of that. I think what sometimes people don't realize, and this is particularly true in the corporate sector, is how humor breeds communication and togetherness and networking and all of those things that I know we're 5 years removed from COVID, Seth, but it never really went away because it changed meetings forever, I think. And we are getting back to that face-to-face communication. And as well as I do, there are still companies and associations that are just planning their first post-COVID in-person conference. It's still. And I think sometimes, when we're back together, obviously you want everybody to be in a good mood. You want everybody to be happy and fun and, hey, how's it going? I've missed you, that kind of thing. And I think adding humor to a conference will foster all of that because you get people in the frame of mind that you, meaning you, the CEO, or you, the CMO, or whoever, wants your employees, your association members to be in when they attend a conference.